In question number 7, A, B, C, D sets are given. A, X is a natural number, so this is natural number, set of natural numbers. B is a set of all even natural. C is a set of odd natural, and D is a prime, set of prime numbers. Now we should find this one, A intersection B. So here we can make use of property of intersection. A and B, if you observe, B is a subset of A, isn't it? Even natural number, in this A, all natural numbers will come, in B, even natural number. So if any set is a subset of A, then their intersection will be the smaller set, isn't it? So answer B is a smaller set, so B is the answer. For this also, A intersection C, if you observe A and C, C is a subset of A. So intersection of both the set will give answer as C. Now A intersection D. So X is a prime, X is a natural number. In this, D is subset of A. So answer will be D. Now B intersection C. See, B is even and C is odd. So there won't be any common element between B and C. So B and C will be empty set. B intersection C will be empty set or disjoint set, you can say, isn't it? B intersection D, if you find even number and prime, so the only even prime is 2, so this will be singleton set which contains 2. C intersection D, X is an odd natural, D X is prime. Okay, so in odd number should come, so that means all odd primes should come in this set. So C intersection C is X is odd prime, we can write. Question number 8 is, which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? So the two sets to be disjoint, that means their intersection should be empty set. That means we should find intersection first, then only we can say whether the sets are disjoint or not. So see here, these elements are given 1, 2, 3, 4, let this set be A. And here elements are not given, but this set will contain element from 4 to 6. So 4, 5 and 6. Now A intersection B, if you find, so how many elements are common in these two sets? 4 is common, so this will give 4, which is not equal to empty set, isn't it? This is singleton set. So what we can write, A and B are not disjoint for this particular example. Then question 2, this set is given and C, D, E, F is given. Okay, so here also if you observe, suppose this set is A, this set is B, A intersection B will give what all elements are common in between. See, E is there in both the set, so E is common. Okay, so we can write this set is equal to E, which is again not equal to empty set. It is, intersection is not an empty set. That means A and B in these examples also are not disjoint set. In question number 9, 4 sets are given to you, A, B, C and D. Okay, and 11 sub questions are there where you have to find the difference. So for difference, I told you how we can find difference, A minus B. Okay, first we will circle out common elements between A and B. So what are the common elements between A and B? 12 we can say, and no other elements other than 12 are common. Okay, so now A minus B will contain all the elements which belongs to A, should not belongs to B. Okay, so here this common term we should cancel and all the remaining elements of A we should write in A minus B. So 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Okay, similarly for A minus C, we should check all the common element in A and C. Okay, so see, 6 is common, 12 is common and only these two elements are common. Now we will write all the elements of remaining elements of A. So 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Okay, and in this B minus A, we should write all the remaining elements of B. isn't it? So we checked here which all elements are common in A and B. 12 only. But this time write remaining elements of set B, because B is written first. So 4, 8, 16, 20. 4, 8, 16 and 20. Question number 12. Whether each of the following statement is true or false, we have to justify with our answer. So here given set is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6. So intersection of these two sets, suppose this is A and B. So intersection of these two set will give 3, which is not an empty set, isn't it? So two sets to be disjoint, intersection should be empty. So here it is written they are disjoint, so which is wrong. So this is not equal to empty. So A and B are not disjoint. So this given statement is false. Okay. For this particular case, 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11. A, if you consider this set as A, this set as B, A intersection B will give empty. No elements are common here. So this is empty. That means they are disjoint set. And here it is given already they are disjoint set. That means correct statement, isn't it? The given statement is true.